Have you ever opened a bottle of fish sauce and thought, what on earth died in here? It smells strong, salty, oceanic, like Poseidon's gym socks left in the sun. And yet, somehow, it makes food taste amazing. A few drops in your soup, stir fry, or dipping sauce, and suddenly, bam! Your dish comes alive. It's rich, deep, savory, not fishy, just pure culinary magic. So what's the secret behind this potion that smells like the end of days, but tastes like heaven? Brace yourself. It's made by letting fish ferment. Yep, rot, but make it gourmet. Today we're diving headfirst into the ancient, surprisingly delicious world of fish sauce. How it's made, why it works, and why chefs everywhere can't live without it. Welcome to History of the Dish. From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish. Fish sauce doesn't start with fancy salmon or tuna sashimi rejects. Nope. It begins with the small fry, anchovies, mackerel, sardines, the oily little guys who never get invited to sushi night. They're abundant, affordable, and absolutely packed with protein and natural enzymes. Fishermen haul them straight from the ocean, and before they spoil naturally, producers do the unthinkable. They intentionally make them spoil, but in a very controlled, chef-approved, science-backed kind of way. Timing is everything. The fish are layered in massive barrels or clay pots, mixed with sea salt, about 3 parts fish to 1 part salt. That salt is the hero of this story. It keeps the bad bacteria out and lets the good, funky, flavor-building microbes party in peace. No water, no cooking, just fish, salt, and time. Then comes the waiting game. Not days, not weeks. We're talking months, sometimes years. At first it looks like a horror movie in a barrel, but slowly, beautifully, something amazing happens. The fish begin to liquefy, bones soften, flesh melts, and a thick amber liquid rises to the top. Congratulations, you've just made fish sauce, or as I like to call it, ocean umami juice. And it's not just salty water with attitude. The fermentation creates natural glutamates, the same compounds that make soy sauce, Parmesan cheese, and mushrooms taste irresistibly savory. It's complex, earthy, salty, and weirdly addictive. Behind the scenes, it's a microscopic rave. Halophilic bacteria, literally salt-loving little dudes, are breaking down proteins into amino acids, especially glutamic acid, which hits your tongue's yum button. Meanwhile, enzymes break down fats into aromatic compounds, giving fish sauce that signature wow, that smells awful but tastes incredible vibe. This is controlled decay, brilliant biochemistry in action. The salt keeps the process safe, slow, and flavor-packed. No Frankenstein chemicals needed, just patience and microbial magic. After about a year to 18 months, yes, seriously, it's time for the big reveal. The barrels are opened, and the top liquid, rich, clear, golden brown, is drained off. That's the good stuff. Think of it like the cold-pressed olive oil of the fish world. The first press is pure gold. The rest gets pressed again with a bit of brine for a second-grade sauce. Still good, just not chef's kiss good. Then it's filtered, bottled, and ready to hit your kitchen. No preservatives, no nonsense, just fermented fish and salt. Now let's address the elephant, or should I say anchovy in the room, the smell. Fish sauce doesn't exactly whisper bon appetit. Crack open a bottle, and it's like the ocean slapped you. But once it hits food, something magical happens. The stink disappears and the flavor blossoms. Chefs use it in soups, marinades, pasta sauces, even burgers. A few drops add depth, warmth, and that secret I can't stop eating this factor. So no, it's not rotten, it's fermented. The same principle that gives us cheese, yogurt, kimchi, and soy sauce. The fish sauce process is basically like aging fine wine, if that wine smelled like low tide. Properly made fish sauce can last for years without refrigeration, thanks to its high salt content. So yes, it comes from decomposing fish, But hey, wine comes from decomposing grapes and no one's complaining there. And here's a fun historical twist. Fish sauce isn't just an Asian thing. The practice first appeared in ancient Greece, then the ancient Romans had garum, their own fishy condiment made by fermenting fish guts in the sun. It was so popular they practically bathed their bread in it. Fast forward a couple thousand years, and Southeast Asia perfected the art. In Thailand, it's called nam pla, dark, funky, and glorious, used in everything from papaya salad to curries. In the Philippines, patis tends to be saltier and lighter, often a byproduct of making fermented shrimp paste. Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, they've all got their own takes, but the holy trinity stays the same: fish, salt, thyme. So next time you open a bottle, wrinkle your nose and think, oh no, just remember, that smell is history, science, and flavor having a party. It's the aroma of transformation, the essence of the sea reborn. Rotting fish? Maybe, but in the most delicious, intentional way imaginable. Thanks for watching. If you've got ideas for our next deep dive, drop them in the comments. We might even give you a shout out. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Because here on The History of the Dish, even the stinkiest stories can be absolutely fascinating.